Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool memory looking sphere on CapCut PC. So go to effects and you're going to add in the fisheye lens to your video. Okay, maybe not this one. Okay, I'm just going to crop this first into a 1:1 ratio because that seemed to work before. Let's see. There you go. I want to see if I can add this one. Okay. You can add whichever one you want to. I'm just going to add this one. And then I'm going to, scale it down just a little bit. I am then going to go to media and I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in a black stock video. You are then just going to go to mask and select circle and fill the whole circle in. Make sure you adjust the opacity so you can see how much you've kind of covered. Then you are going to right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to select the circle mask again and reverse it. And you're going to make this kind of wide, and this is just for the shadow, as you can see here. I created kind of a moon shape to create a shadow. If it's not okay, actually before I made it a compound clip, I'm going to put the opacity at 100 first, and then create compound clip. Then go to mask and then select reverse, and then I will feather it out here because I don't want it to have too much. And if it's too harsh for you still, just adjust it in the opacity bit. And then you're going to kind of do the same thing with the white stock video. Go to mask, circle, the whole thing, right click, create compound clip, circle again, and then reverse. And just make it into a moon crescent shape and just go back to basic and adjust the opacity if it's a little bit too light. Okay, I think that's good enough. And I want to add in a background to it, so I'm just going to put it up here. Just going to add in this white simple background. And I'm just adjusting this a little bit. Okay, it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I am going to add in a black stock video underneath that, and I'm going to go to mask. I'm going to try to create a shadow here and feather that out a lot. And you don't want it to be in the middle because that's how shadows are. And if it's too harsh, just adjust the opacity here. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!